In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack on Android. Whether you're getting set up for work or joining a new community, the process is quick and straightforward. Here's exactly what to do, along with a few tips so nothing slows you down. Start by unlocking your Android phone or tablet and opening the Google Play Store. You'll find the Play Store icon on your home screen, app drawer, or by using the device's search. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the search bar. Depending on your device and Play Store version, it may appear at the top or as a search icon toward the bottom. Tap the search field and type Slack. In the results, select the Slack app published by Slack Technologies. You'll recognize it by the multicolored hash logo. Tap Install. The download size can vary, so a stable internet connection helps. If you're on mobile data, you might prefer Wi-Fi to save data and speed things up. If the Play Store asks for permission or shows a confirmation, approve it to continue. When the installation finishes, tap Open right from the Play Store, or find Slack on your home screen or in the app drawer. The first time you open Slack, you'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Go ahead and sign in using your existing credentials from your organization or team. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete sign-in securely. If your organization provided a special link or sign-in method, use that when prompted. Slack may ask for notification permissions so you can get alerts for messages and mentions. Allowing notifications ensures you don't miss important updates, but you can adjust them later in Slack settings if you prefer fewer alerts. After you're signed in, you're ready to use Slack on Android. You can pin the app to your home screen for quick access, and if you ever need to update it, return to the Play Store and tap Update when available. If Slack doesn't appear in your search results, make sure your device software is up to date and that you're signed into the Play Store with a supported account. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to install Slack on your Android device and sign in so you can start collaborating right away. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.